Sorry about that, but we've had to halt programming due to unforeseen circumstances. All BBC channels have been merged to issue this emergency broadcast for the safety of our viewers. Please listen carefully to the following announcement, as it is crucial to your safety. Over the past few days, ghost-like creatures have been spotted, ending multiple people's lives. Their appearance is mainly transparent and have tattered clothing, mainly black. It is unknown at this time what their intentions are, but it is speculated to be ending humanity. His Majesty's government has issued the following to hopefully stop these ruthless killings. Lock all doors and windows, stay calm at all times, and go to sleep at 8 p.m. That is all the information we have at the current moment in time. Please stay calm and stand by for further information. We have new information to bring to you. Scientists have managed to figure out the signs of one of these creatures entering your home. These signs are, but are not limited to, loud tapping on windows, noises in walls, and faint screaming outside. Once one of these creatures, which have now been named the Wanderers, enter your home, there is no escape. As soon as they see or hear you, you would be dead without warning. That's all the information we have been given at this time. More updates will be provided through BBC News and this channel. Normal programming will now resume for the time being. Stay calm and stay safe.